వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు నవ్య. సూర్యుడి తొలి కిరణాలు ప్రసరించే ముందే రాలిపోతాయి కాబట్టి దానికి ఆ పేరొచ్చిందని చెప్తారు. అందుకే ఉదయం పూట పూలన్నీ రాలి నేలపై తెలుపు ఎరుపు కలిపే అల్లిన తివాచీ పరిచినట్టుగానే కనిపిస్తోంది. సాధారణంగా మొక్క నుంచి తాజాగా కోసిన పూలను దేవుడికి సమర్పిస్తాం. కానీ పారిజాతాలను కొయ్యరు. నేల మీద రాలిపడినవి సేకరించి మాత్రమే పూజకు వినియోగిస్తారు. ఈ మొక్క క్షీరసాగర మథన సమయంలో ఉద్భవించిందని, లక్ష్మీదేవికి ఇవంటే ఎంతో ప్రీతి అని చెప్తారు. అంతేకాదు, కృష్ణుడు పారిజాత పుష్పాల్ని స్వర్గం నుంచి దొంగలించడానికి ప్రయత్నించి ఇక్కట్ల పాలవటం అనేది మరో కథనం. ఇక మరిన్ని ఆసక్తికరమైన విషయాలు తెలుసుకోబోయే ముందు ఇప్పుడు నవ్య కార్యక్రమంలో నయా ట్రెండ్స్ చూద్దాం.
Hi, hello. I'm from Bombay. My name is Vinny. My boutique name is Sri Shaubhagya. Today I'm going to show you the new collections. It's my kurtis, gowns and all new varieties. This is Alia cut top. It's come with the side cut with the new prints, with the handwork. It will come with pant, with lining. It will come full set. It's a floor length once, full length it will come like this way. Full length it will come 3/4 hands. It's come with the cuff sleeves. Whole designs, it's come with the print and all, V-neck. These all are the new collection for girls and for all. They can wear all this. Some backside also you can check. It's come with the pleats and all, with the backside the new prints, all new collections. ये वाला straight fit में आएगा with printed वाला. New prints के साथ आएंगे. Handwork design है. Collar neck के साथ है proper. It's come with the 3/4 sleeves. New prints all. It's come full new prints and long length it will come. Color combination is also nice for girls and all. They can wear all these collections. Full length top with the pant it will come, narrow bottom pant. Check the back side also. Back side also come with the same positions. It's come with the new prints with the collar necks. 3/4 sleeves आएगा with the cuff sleeves के साथ आएंगे. ये new prints है, new collections आएगा full length में. It's full length it will come. It's come with the handwork design with side pocket. Pocket also has the work with the collar. It's come full length. Pathani, this called pattern Pathani styles with the lining and all. It will come. 3/4 sleeves again, same. It's come. You can check the back also. It's come with a polka dot. This dots also come with the polka dots only. All different collections. You can check the designs also. This one. This is again new collection. It's come with the A-line top. Collar neck front it's come with the buttons, new buttons. It's come with the diamond buttons, small A-line ones. It's come with the pant, 3/4 sleeves. You can check the sleeves also. New prints it will come. It's called a corsets pattern with the collar neck. Back side also you can check. It's come with the same position with the full new prints and pants. It will come for girls and all. They can wear. It's look like a Indo-Western proper. Again same, this is also cord sets. It come with the multicolor full set with the handwork design, cuff sleeves, 3/4 full sleeves. This will come high-low pattern full design. It's come with the high-low pattern with the straight pants. You can check the designs also with the neck work is there. Proper handwork is there. Proper handwork with the multicolor, blue color, pink color. New collections it will come, high-low pattern. You check this one. Check the back side also, same it will come. Back side you can check also. It's come with the low designs and side cut, C cut it's a design, the pattern name with the pant again same. This is Alia cut handwork design with the beautiful flowers, multicolor, yellow, orange, all this color it will come with the dupatta. Dupatta also its fabric is chiffon, soft smooth fabric with the handwork designs, sequins work. Side border it will come with the gota lace. Side cut is there with the pant, full set. Something it's look like one piece, full length only. A 3/4 pant is also available. Needs the pant also, you can wear with the pant also. This is A-line top with it. With the dupatta it will come. handwork design, flower, purple color, beautiful color, bright color. It will come with the handwork design stick. Jardozi work is there with the sharara set. This is not a pant. This come with the shirt with the sharara set. It will come. The pant is sharara. Gota lace is the side gota lace. It's look 3/4 hand. Normal 3/4 hand. It will come. Gota lace. It will come with. Full new collection. Fabric is also muslin silk fabric. Soft and smooth fabric. All these are. Again same handwork design. Green color. Green multicolor. This one full. Red combination. Blue combinations are there. New color. With the 3/4 sleeves, chinon fabric, full length. It will come with the dupatta. Dupatta it's also there. It's beautiful dupatta. Full length it will come with the chudis. This come with the wrinkles ones. Fabric is also nice. Chinon fabric. You can check the design also. It's come with the Jardozi work design only. Neck portion it will come. 3/4 sleeves it will come perfectly. You can check the back side also. Back is also again same. This is mustard color, proper mustard with the peach combination, peach, black, orange combination it will come. Full length top with the pant, side cut it will come. Handwork design, mirror and handwork design both of. Chiffon dupatta, dupatta also has a gota work with the tassels and all. This is again top, only top for girls and all. Kaftan tops it will come. You check the design also. It's come look like a kaftan, long tops. Nice floral print is there, peach and red combination. This is corsets. Collar has a work, pocket is there, pocket also has the work with the beautiful buttons. Pant, A-line top it will come. The corsets also. 3/4 sleeves. New print, black and grey combination print it will come. Again this is Alia cut. It's come with the handwork, Jardozi work, full handwork design it will come. It's come with the proper new prints, black and white proper new prints. It's come with the beautiful dupatta and 3/4 sleeves is there. Full length top it will come. This has a side cut also, bottom is also it's there. This is also corsets with the pattern of a jacket style. It's attached with the hanging ones. Neck has a work also and it's come with the short top with a pant. 3/4 sleeves. 3/4 sleeves it will come. Cuff sleeves it will come with a V neck type. Collar neck is also there. V neck. You can check the hanging also. It's two beautiful hangings. The green and peach red combination. It's look very pretty to wear for girls and all with the pant and top. Short top with the pant. Back also it's come with the same printed ones. Again, these all are my latest collections. Please visit. Thank you.
చూసారు కదా నయా ట్రెండ్స్. ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో చిన్న విరామం తీసుకుందాం.